Hello, welcome to Marco on Markets. I'll just share my screen. We'll start with the disclaimer. This channel is for educational purposes only and shares my personal opinions and investment process. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial product advice or a recommendation to buy or sell any investment. Always do your own research and consider obtaining advice from a licensed financial advisor before making an investment decision. Good afternoon. It's Monday, the 27th of July at 3:52 p.m. Market's about to close in about 8 minutes, plus any after trade transactions that may go through. What I might do to start with is just have a look at my short watch list. Up the top, or sorry, down the bottom, we've got Viva Energy down 2.4%, JB Hi-Fi in the negative by 0.55%. Up the top, we've got Aristocrat 1.98, and then we've got a sea of banks, NAB, ANZ, Westpac, CBA and Macquarie, all ranging from 0.9% all the way up to 1.54%, with NAB leading the way in the banks. So it's been a positive day on the market for the banks. And then all the others, all in the positive. Just have a look at the All Ordinaries. It's up 1.28%, so it did extend its lead from the start of the day, which it did open up around 1% higher. So generally a good day. I'll update my portfolio. Okay. So we did have a trade today. We did sell out of Westpac earlier today. The original margin was Westpac. It was this trade here. Our original sell price was going to be like $37.50. Let me have a look at my short sheet. 37.52. It did actually surpass that today, so I did miss full margin. That being said, I still did achieve a 1.59%. So I did leave 0.4 on the table of a percent, which is still significant, but I was getting a bit jittery on it and I wanted to get into the JB Hi-Fi position. So I did choose to exit that. But that's a good lesson in patience. Sometimes you just need patience and you should just, sometimes you need to hold, and sometimes if you get a gut feeling and you feel like you should get out, then I believe you should get out too, because it cheers you up afterwards. I'll update the pricing, 61.96 for Aristocrat. So 61.96. AX1 71.8. JB Hi-Fi and 87.51 for Wesfarmers. Nice. Okay, so the current holdings, we'll just do including dividends, because I do look at overall, like total loss or total gain. However, I do like to get a 2% margin on the capital. And should I get a dividend, that would indicate that I've held the stock for quite some time, and that will compensate any opportunity cost. So Aristocrat down 1.3%. Accent Group, sorry, is down 62%. JB Hi-Fi is just 0.02% up. and Wesfarmers is down 1.16%. I'll just show you the JB Hi-Fi graph. If you watch the buy transaction take place, you'll note that when I first went to put the order on, it was around the $75.25, and then it climbed up to about 75, 60, 70, and then it did drop down. We did secure it at $75.50. Apologies. I just want to show you the graph for the day because it was quite a roller coaster. It did fall away quite a bit. I think I was down like 0.6, 0.7%, like within 10 minutes. I think after I purchased it, it was probably around midday. I don't have the time on me here. I could probably have a quick look. I'll just have a look in my inbox and see when the contract note comes through from NAB Trade. So I purchased at midday. So I purchased it here and then it just dropped straight away. Did go up a little bit and then fell away a bit more. And I think at the worst I was down like, 0.6, 0.7%. So it can move very quickly. It has recovered. So I'm back to what I paid for it, plus a little bit more. Nothing worth talking about. So yeah, the price can change very quickly, and share market is quite volatile. But if you stick to blue chip type stocks, I think generally I find in the long term they will do well. These are companies that make millions and millions of dollars in profits. They contribute to society. They employ lots of people. They pay lots of taxes generally. And long term, if nothing changes in the business, their share price should go up as they make more and more profit. What else? I think that's about it. I'll just see if I've got anything else. So my next position, well, see how JB goes tomorrow. I'm hoping that it has an increase. Obviously, I'd like to get out Aristocrat. It is down 1.343% at the moment. Should it have a 2% gain day tomorrow, you'll probably see me sell out of that and just move on. I've had it for 266 days now and counting, and it's just not doing anything. And it has recovered. It was down like 28% or so about 3 or 4 months ago. So I'm very happy that it's got to this position, but now I'd like to just sell it and move on and then go into a different position, which I don't have anything queued up. The one I wanted to do was Sigma. I could have purchased that last week on Friday, $2.81, and I probably would have been out by now, but obviously I was in a trade. So as I said last week, you can't do it all. So I'll leave it there for today. I hope you had a good day. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Have a great day.